world's most advanced smart lock just got even better. Combining suggestions from all of our customers, we've taken the smart lock to the next level. This is the new Lockly Vision. From a brighter digital touchscreen that displays the world's most secure shuffling keypad to the modern zinc alloy enclosure that elevates your front door, the innovation does not stop there. We've added ultra-wide angle lens to our lock to give you the world's first all-in-one smart lock and video doorbell, combining what is normally two devices into one. From the push of a button, instantly get notified on your phone who's at the door. Remotely lock and unlock from your iOS or Android app, or even communicate with the guest when you're not there from anywhere in the world. Our latest power managing system allows your lock to last up to 12 months and even stores videos on our smart hub to be accessed from the cloud anywhere in the world. With the Pin Genie touchscreen, know your keypad is secure from prying eyes. While the location of the numbers are different every time it's displayed, your code doesn't change, making it hard for others to guess the correct code before being locked out. Besides the keypad, unlock your door with your fingerprint, voice, smartphone, and even a physical key. Installation takes just a few minutes and is compatible with right and left swing doors. Lockly. Security redefined.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock, which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on Fingerprint Scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver. The Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind. Bosma, simply better.
Fast and accurate fingerprint recognition. Remote access with temporary or scheduled codes. Smart home integration. Okay Google, open the door. Real-time monitoring. Quick and easy installation.
Successfully processed.
The smarter way to get in. Samsung Smart Lock A30.
Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint. 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt.